In iPadOS 18, Apple Notes can collapse your titles, headings, and subheadings to tuck away the notes under them. When you place a cursor in front of your heading, or if you just hover your mouse, like I'm doing, a down-facing arrow appears that you can toggle to collapse the notes below it. Titles collapse all the sections below them, including headings and subheadings. Your headings will collapse subheadings following that hierarchy. Another update to text lets us highlight our text in Apple Notes. After selecting your text, go to the AA icon on the main toolbar and tap the highlighter tool, which looks like a pen tool. Highlighting changes your font and background color, and at the moment ours is pink. To change the color of the highlighter, go to the dot icon next to the highlighter tool. You have 5 colors for highlighting your body text. Let's make ours mint. But it's not as visible as pink, which has become my default favorite because it's the most visible. At the moment, we can't change these colors or use custom ones, but the highlighter works on your headings as well. It's nice to finally have a bit of color in Apple Notes on the iPhone. To remove the highlighter, select the highlighted text and then the highlighter tool again, so you can toggle to add or remove the highlighter, depending on whichever you start with.